Alrighty, all right. What's going on, guys? Quarter bit before now, the cleaning service here, man. Just made it out to the scrapyard. Just made it out to the scrapyard here. Just came out with a load, weighing about 1,500 pounds here. This is everything I got up this morning, man. I got loaded up on. Started my day pretty early this morning than what I normally would, and man, got a nice little load. Got a nice little load. A couple of refrigerators. Let me see here. Got 2 dishwashers over here. Got a deep freezer over here. Got a stove over here. Let's kind of walk around here, guys. The ground is kind of, it's dry today, so we can kind of walk around and, oh yeah, I kind of got my trailer bagged in here. Let me move this out the way. I got a grill on the back over here. Let me see. It's gonna be kind of hard here. Let me see. Can I get around this? Little vent here and stuff like that, table and stuff regards to that. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I got loaded up with today. Today was a pretty every day is a hard working day. Well, today was considered a little extra harder day than the other day. And the reason why that for is because man, everything started off so slow, and everything started kicking in after 12 o'clock, and it's about 3:30 my time here at the scrapyard, and it's getting ready to shut down here in a few minutes. And so I'm not gonna have much time to get too much broken down, but everything started off slow, and it just, I kept at it, and over the period of time, it started progressing, and everything started working out good for me. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna get ready to get the trailer offloaded here, and then once I get the trailer offloaded, we'll keep it moving. So let's get the trailer offloaded. Alrighty, guys, got everything out the trailer here. Everything is onto the ground, out the trailer. Trailer is empty. This is pretty much it, guys. This is it. I'm not gonna have time. I just got done offloading here, man. It's about 3:50 my time. I got about 10 minutes to get on this scale, to get off, and get this check and keep it moving. So I'm gonna have to pass. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this sink. Throw this on the back of my trailer. Now, that don't have to be broke down, does it? Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything that I have here. Not much else here. This look to be, that's metal. Yeah, that's rusting. That's metal. Yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. So with that being said, man, you know, today been a long day, but we made it through it. You know, we got a check and we get to go home and enjoy time with our family. And, you know, that's all that counts, guys. So be blessed. You guys be blessed, man. So much going on in the world out there. You guys be blessed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.